In this video, we must describe each of the following angles using a word. Choose from acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, or revolution. We must be able to recognize the size of that angle, either as a range or as an exact measurement. If a protractor is not available, you should use the angle arcs in the diagram, that's these things here, and look carefully at those to estimate the angle size that's represented in the diagram. In part A, look at the angle arc which is here. This angle looks greater than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. The best word for this angle is obtuse. In part B, this is exactly the size of a straight angle. In part C, notice the horizontal line and the angle arc. This is also indicating a diagram of a straight angle. This means if we were to measure this angle arc with a protractor, the measurement would be 0 to 180 degrees exactly. In part D, on this diagram, the angle arc indicates one full turn. That exact size is 360 degrees, and therefore the best word to describe this diagram is revolution. In part E, this angle is less than 90 degrees but more than 0. The best word is acute. In part F, this angle is less than a full revolution, but more than 180 degrees. Therefore, the best word to describe this angle is reflex. In part G, here is the angle arc. Notice it describes an angle that is greater than 180 degrees, greater than a straight line. The best word to describe this angle is also reflex. In part H, this is a vertical line, but the angle arc indicates a measurement from 0 to 180 degrees, and the best word to describe this angle is straight. Importantly, straight angles are not always resting along a horizontal axis. In fact, a straight angle could be indicated at any orientation. Part I, here is the angle arc, indicating an angle greater than a straight line. Therefore, the best word to describe this angle is reflex.